Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. It's Tuesday night, and I talk about anything downsizing, decluttering, or lifestyle design. And tonight's going to be a little bit different, and different than any other video that I've done before, because for the first time, I'm going to focus on actual products that I've used myself and strongly recommend. I'm calling it the Downsizing Designer's 10 Favorite Home Organizing Solutions. So they will help to get you organized and also to stay organized once you've decluttered in a particular space. So if you've listened to my videos and if you've read my blogs, you know that I don't normally encourage you to buy more because my primary focus is to help you learn how to declutter effectively so that you can actually live with less. But because people keep asking me what kind of products should they get to stay organized once they've decluttered, I'm intentionally sharing my top 10 favorite organizing solutions that will help you maximize your space and help you be able to find exactly what you need when you need it. So over the years, I've tried many organizing products and I've tested them. And these top 10 are those that I continue to use because I know that they work. And I certainly wouldn't be recommending them to you if I didn't believe in them. So they help me get organized and stay organized. That's why they're at the top of my list. And because I can't physically show you these products on a video on Facebook Live, I will be posting a blog sometime this week with the actual links so that you can get them if you want to try them out yourself. So FYI, and full disclosure, I am an Amazon affiliate, which means that they give me a small commission if you purchase using my link. But so just so you know, it doesn't change the price if you purchase it from the link that I would provide or if you go directly to Amazon. So the Downsizing Designer's top 10 organizing products. So Hobbies and Crafts Clutter and Toy Clutter. When I did a survey a couple of weeks ago about what kind of clutter is the hardest for you to let go of, that actually rose very high to the top, that hobby and craft clutter and of course toy clutter. So I oftentimes use a 24 drawer plastic storage unit. We will send you the link. It's great for craft supplies, for small toys like Legos, Matchbox cars, and so forth. And given that I have a 3.5-year-old granddaughter, it's being well used right now for some of those smaller toys and some of her crayons and things like that. The second thing is kitchen cabinet clutter, and we all have this. So one of the things I found extremely helpful is a stackable can organizer. It's tiered and it holds between 12 to 15 cans and it fits in a very small space. And then there's the pan organizer rack that is extremely helpful. So if you're always searching for your pots and pans, this organizer has certainly been a godsend to me. Then there is the pantry clutter, and we all have that. So there is a tiered spice rack that I love, and it actually fits very nicely into, I think it's an 18-inch drawer, so that you can visibly see every single spice that you have. And then the other thing is the airtight food storage containers. These are extremely helpful because you can, it helps to preserve the things that you're putting in there, and also you're able to see it. And the fourth thing is under kitchen sink clutter. Now you know what that's like, trying to dig around for your cleaning supplies and so forth. But this particular unit, which I'll send you the link to, is an under sink organizer. So what it does is it holds your dish soap, your cleaning supplies, your sponges, and so forth. And then in addition to that, there is a plastic bag organizer. So we all have plastic bags, and it simply hangs on the door, and you push the bags into the hole, and then when you need them, you pull them out. The next thing is car clutter. I don't know about you, but by the end of the week, my car is very messy. And so having this front seat organizer helps keep my my car looking pretty clean. So it has everything you need at your fingertips, everything from your phone to your charger to a pad and paper, and also maybe a laptop. The next one is mail clutter. Now this was actually almost number one in my survey. And there is a wall mount letter tray that I highly recommend. It's either 4 or 5 slots. It hangs on the wall. It's subtle. It's not unattractive at all. You can keep that at your front door. You can keep it in your kitchen near your desk, or you can keep it in your office. But it helps you sort the incoming mail. So as soon as it comes in, just put it into those slots and divide it into bills to pay, or you want to review it later on. The next thing is bathroom clutter. So one of the things, and I live in a larger house now, but when I had a tiny apartment, I had an over-the-toilet storage cabinet. You've probably seen these. I can't tell you how helpful that was, because it stores soaps and shampoos and toilet paper, and it's so easily accessed, and it certainly added a good amount of storage space. The next thing is toy clutter. Everybody that has grandchildren or has children, you know what that's like. So there's a very attractive woven basket. Actually, my son and my daughter-in-law have it. And it's very attractive, and it holds probably 8 or 10 smaller toys. It's also great for blankets and throws and magazines. It's attractive, so you don't have to put it away, and you just roll up the magazines and you roll up the throw. The next one is accessory clutter. So I don't know about you, but particularly in the winter, where I have more accessories like scarves and gloves and hats and things like that. It's actually an over-the-door shoe organizer, but I oftentimes use it for accessories. It makes it visible. It's right behind the door. And then the last one is closet clutter. So there is a 5-tier hanger that I've used for many years, and what it does is it hangs your clothes either horizontally so you can see them, or vertically, and it's perfect for skirts and slacks. And then there's the drawer dividers, which you open your drawer and you can easily see your socks, your underwear, your scarves. It can also be used for jewelry. So, I told you this is going to be a little bit of an unusual video for me, but I'm sharing with you some of the things that I have found to be extremely useful. We'll be creating a blog that will have all the links that I've just recommended. And feel free to reach out to me at Rita Wilkins at ritawilkins.com if you have questions. And remember to declutter first, always, and then organize. Okay, I'll talk to you next week. Have a great week.